everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Generation the Lakers, specifically about Spesihle and Siyanda's relationship. They actually look good together guys, and I was very happy that Spesihle has finally found someone who will love her dearly. But unfortunately that is not going to happen. Siyanda have his past. The word on the street is that his ex-wife Pamela is back. Her character will be portrayed by Zora Nombona. All what Pamela wants is to reconnect with her ex-husband. They have been together for years, started their relationship in varsity. They are both journalists and they always had a dream of taking journalism space. The ex-wife left Siyanda because she was tired of Siyanda's mother and her issues. Guys, Pamela wants his man back and she will definitely turn Space's life upside down. We have learned that her character has no intention of playing nice when it comes to having Siyanda back. According to TV Plus, Pamela's return will also bring out the worst in Siyanda. People will see different side of him because of what Pamela invokes in him. Guys, this is all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.